Hello, my dear students. This is Nikhil from CareerMudhra, Bangalore. In this video, we are going to discuss about what all things you can carry for the JEE mains examination hall, and what would be the right outfit for you, and what all things you should avoid for carrying, because this is very essential. If you carry a wrong thing, they might deny you the entry to the examination hall, and you have worked 2 years to get over here for to write this exam. So it is very essential that you follow these guidelines. Okay, so without further ado, we'll dive into the guidelines, and I'm going to tell you what are the things that you have to take first. Okay, so the things that you have to carry with yourself, which is mandatory, is your passport size photograph that you have uploaded even in the application form. If you have the same passport size photograph, it's well and good. If not, you should go and develop more photographs. Okay, then you should carry your admit card. Okay, and in admit card, I know there are 4 pages. So in that, which all you should carry? The first page and the last page. Okay, apart from that, you need to carry whatever identification card that you have uploaded. Let it be your Aadhaar card ID, or let it be your PAN card ID, or anything, your driver's license, whatever you have uploaded during the time of application. You have to carry that ID proof with you, the original one. And if you're a person with disability, then you should carry that certificate as well. If not, you do not need to carry any such certificates. Now, let's talk about what is allowed inside the examination hall. You're allowed to carry transparent pens and transparent bottles only. Okay, do not carry anything that has marked or is hidden. They will not allow it. Okay, so do not carry anything that is not transparent. Now, if you're a diabetic student, you're allowed to carry your prescription tablets, your sugar tablets, and if you're a diabetic student who needs to eat, then you can carry some fruits with you. Okay. Also, you need to have a prescription from the doctor with their registration number on the prescription pad saying that you have diabetes. Only then you can carry all these things. Now, the things that are prohibited in the examination hall, that is obviously your electronic gadgets, then stationary items, let it be even a scale, let it be a compass, all those things are not allowed in the examination hall. Only a transparent pen is allowed. Okay. There are no papers allowed. For working out, papers will be given in the examination hall. You do not need to carry any papers by your side. No pencil box, no geometry box, no purse, no handbags, no tea, coffee, cool drinks. You can take a transparent water bottle with water in it, but nothing else than that. And most importantly, no metallic items. Now let's talk about what are the other things that are not allowed. It can even be rings, it can be watches, it can be mehndi on a girl's hand, it can be caps, it can be cardboard. Nowadays, no one uses cardboard much, but still, no cardboards are allowed, no shoes are allowed. It is mandated that you wear chappals and go to the exam. So there is more transparency. Okay, again, covered water bottles are not allowed. Only transparent water bottles are allowed. Now let's talk about the dress code. Okay, so these are the things that you can see on the screen. You should not be wearing these things at all. For example, it can be belts, rings. Okay, maybe you might be engaged, so you might have a ring. You are not allowed to wear that ring as well. Okay, should not have cargo pants. Okay, any pants with too many pockets or anything that grabs attention, you should not be wearing that. Okay, then t-shirts with different designs, logos. Okay, even that is prohibited. Okay, just wear a plain t-shirt if you have any. If not, you can go out and buy that right now. Then you should not wear any watches, especially the smart watches. Nowadays, even the smart glasses are banned. Okay, so smart glasses are also there. So do not wear any glasses. And if you're wearing normal prescription glasses, that you can wear. Okay, for girls, dupattas are not allowed. Earrings are not allowed, hair clips are not allowed, any metal objects. A lot of girls put hairpin, so even that is not allowed because it contains metal, and when you go through the metal detector, it'll make a beep. Now, a lot of students might be thinking, if so many things are not allowed, if I'm not allowed to carry my wallet, if I'm not allowed to carry my phone, then how will I transport? So, what I usually suggest all the students is go to the examination center few hours earlier, find some tea stall or someone like that, go give them your wallet, go give them your cell phone, tell them to keep it safely until you finish your exam so that you can take it back from them after your examination is done. Okay, so do your due diligence before you go to the examination hall. If not, it'll be at the last moment, it's going to be very hectic for you. Okay, now let's talk about what things you can wear. For a woman, they can wear salwar kameez. Okay, and then plain pant is the best. If not, if you want to go in your pajamas, that is also fine. Okay, for guys, and plain t-shirt, as I told you earlier. Okay, avoid wearing socks also. Now I know in North India there are a lot of places where it's extremely cold, and in such severe cases, even if you wear socks, you can just give them some reason that you're feeling cold. Obviously, the examiner will allow you, but provided you need to go little bit earlier because they have to do the checking of each and everything. Thank you for watching this video. So if you felt this was insightful and you're looking for more such updates on JEE exam or other examinations, you can subscribe to our channel. My name is Nikhil, and if you have any doubts or queries, my number is mentioned down below and you can give me a call. Thank you.